Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming conditions that affect value. Check carrier unlock status and cosmetic condition so you know what to expect. Next, back up your iPhone to iCloud or to a computer. This preserves apps, photos, and settings. Once done, sign out of your Apple ID and disable Find My iPhone. This allows activation on the new device, and remove the SIM card, because the trade-in process often requires a blank device. You now compare offers from carrier, Apple, and third-party resellers. Choose between instant credit, gift card, or refund because each affects total savings differently. After selecting an option, complete the diagnostic questionnaire honestly. Scratches, battery health, and screen condition change the quote, and upload photos if requested. Make sure to print or download the prepaid shipping label, or schedule an in-store inspection appointment so the device moves smoothly through the evaluation step. You finish by shipping the phone or completing the in-store handoff, then track the shipment and confirm the device was received so you can follow the evaluation timeline. When the inspection report arrives, review the final offer and accept or dispute it within the stated window. Disputes often succeed if you provide clear photos or original condition evidence. If the trade-in is denied, ask for itemized reasons and request a reevaluation or return. Keep receipts and correspondence until resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.